house, 'cause I know you've been messing around. Stop talking that jive, shut your damn mouth. I know now you're putting me out. You got another man, mama, that's plain to see. It seemed like everybody they knew of me. Don't come in here around my house, 'cause I know you've been putting me out. I mean, I know you've been putting me out. Pack up your bags, get off of my couch, move to the curb right now. Don't wanna see you on the street, not around my house. Won't you leave me alone somehow? When I heard the news, I got angry and mean. You had your meals cooked, mama, treated like a queen. Don't come in here